Okay.
Okay, come here. They're doing it again. Come here. Okay, that's fine. Watch your dad.
Nine, 8.
What is
Oh my gosh!
Go get your dad. Go get him.
You guys are nutcases.
He got you.
I'm so dizzy.
Your chin hurts.
He likes to just sit on people. What are you watching?
$300. And Barry Weiss forgot.
What's happening?
What's happening?
We got pretty close over there.
Yeah.
It's over.
I got chicken.
Okay,
Still,
Alicia,
baby.
spin JC.
No.
Yeah.
He likes to hold on to the shirt.
Jacob, don't hold on to shirts like that. You're gonna rip them.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me when.
Stop.
Go.
Stop.
Go.
Go.
Stop.
Stop.
Go. Stop.
Be careful.
Wow. Stop. Go. Stop.
That's a workout, huh?
Not having him on your foot is a workout. Going up and down.
You should do that. JC, put him on your foot.
Hold on to JC's foot.
No.
Hold on to my foot then. Okay, ready?
His bony butt. Look at his face. Hold on real tight. Real tight.
Look at Mom.
Hey,
Look at Joel. Look at Joel.
Over here. Say what's up. What's up?
Crack-a-lackin'?
What do you like it?
It's crack-a-lackin'.
He said whacking. What's crack-a-lackin'? Jacob. What's crack-a-lackin'?
What do you like it?
What's the Jacob.
Here he comes.
Say what?
What?
Say crack-a-lackin'.
That is the best game ever. This is the ride of the century.
You have to do the other leg to get a workout. Even.
You're gonna have like one leg all swole.
Yeah. That's what I was worried about.
Bye.
Bye, Jacob. Bye, Jacob. I'll see you never.
You want to do the other foot?
Yeah, I do.
I'm tired.
Me too.
I bet.
Okay, ready? Hold on.
Aren't your legs tired now?
Yes.
Do it
Come
again.
here.
What's the
Come here.
Let's see JC.
Go JC.
Are you gonna do this thing? Come here. Oh! He likes to do that. You like to do that? Ow! Why are you punching me?
That's not funny.
No hitting.
Say sorry. Say sorry, JC.
Thank you.
Ow.
You being silly.
He's tired.
Mm-hmm.
Delusional.
We should do the spinning thing again.